Hi all, welcome back. This module is dedicated to explain infrastructure configuration. So if you are going to use Azure or SQL Server, we have different options. So Microsoft SQL Server, you could install in your laptop or in your office or in your data center. And by this installation, you could save some data and you could execute query against the database, or even you could create your software based on this SQL Server installation. But recently people have started to use cloud-based system, and in that case you need Azure SQL subscription. And if you have a Azure or any other cloud subscription, you could create database inside cloud, and you could do almost all the tasks which you used to do in your on-premise. And the main advantages of using Azure or cloud-based system is you don't need to worry about the administration task. You could focus on your script development or database development rather than Azure or database administration part. So most of the administration part will be handled by your cloud provider, and there are different versions of or different variety of cloud based Azure system you could deploy or you could provision. So you could see there are dedicated host is there. In that case, you could have a much more administration privilege, and you have a service based or platform based systems are there. In that case, you will have less or low administration power, and you could use any of them based on your requirement. And in our demo, I will show you how you could install SQL Server in your on-premise or in your laptop, as well as how you could deploy a Azure SQL database. This is a platform as a service, and in order to deploy Azure SQL database, you need a Azure subscription. And I will show you how you could create a Azure free subscription by using a credit card. Then later I will show you how you could deploy Azure SQL database. And once you install SQL Server in your on-premise, or once you deploy a database in your cloud, you could connect to that server by using a software called SQL Server Management Studio. So in demo, I will show you how you could connect to your on-premise environment as well as how you could connect to your cloud-based system. And if you are going to connect to your cloud system, there might be firewall related restrictions might be there, and I will show you how you could bypass or how you could enable your firewall in Azure cloud. So we are going to learn a lot from this module, and this is very important because we are going to use either SQL Server on-premise or SQL Server cloud in order to execute our query, or in order to do our demo, we need a SQL Server installation. And you could use either your on-premise environment infrastructure or your cloud-based infrastructure. In either case, you need a database server, and I will show you how you could deploy. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.